Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. This RCI-2970N4 is also for Rick in Oregon, and it also has the echo in the side and a switch in the back for the talkback and a switch in the back to turn off the amplifier. Let's turn those two off for right now. We'll start the lowest power. Alright, so up here, 1 through 10 on the top, just under 1 to just over 4. Peak power audio on a 50 watt slug, audio is about 50. And then sideband. Audio, check, audio. It's about 34, 35. Okay, now I'm going to go to the full power. Take the switch in the back, take it on. Take this out. And put a 500 in. And put this on 100. Turn the power down on the radio. Back to AM. Alright. So there's 10 watts all the way down. 100 watts all the way up. This 500 slugs in the middle. The middle scale. Audio. Check. Audio. About 450, 460. Audio. Check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. And on sideband, audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio, check. Audio. Also about 450. Okay. And breaker 19 for a radio check. Trevor, and it's working. I appreciate it. You have a fine day. You sounding good.